Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Fast and Furious Premium Mix 3, which is designated by the HNW 46 code on the case, and the assortment is the G case. This is the third mix for 2024 for Fast and Furious Premium. A couple new castings in this case I'm really excited for. Let's crack it open and see what we got. All right. First car out of the case. Not the most exciting if you haven't found it, or if you found it already, because it is a repeat. It is number 1 of 5 in the set. The custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR. This was Mia's car in the original Fast and the Furious. What's great about the Fast and Furious Premium is that they have the name of the movie right on the back here, so you can see what movie it was from. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes not so much. The second car out of the case is the all-new, and I mean all-new, Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL. So this is a brand new casting. A new Mercedes casting, number 2 of 5 in the case. And if you flip it over, we'll see that it was in the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. I don't recall exactly where this was from. My first instinct was that this was actually DK's grandfather's car, but I could be wrong. But if I am wrong, please let me know and correct me in the comments below. But brand new casting, kind of a wide Mercedes casting. Got the red lights on the back, the gray 6-spoke mag wheels on there. Great to have a new Fast and Furious casting, especially with a lot of the repeats lately. Speaking of new casting, we get another one in number 3 of 5 in the series, the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8. So another great Porsche casting. I mean, the Porsche castings have just been rolling off the assembly line lately at the Mattel factories in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. Like, look at this. This is a great casting. Got the whale tail on the back. Not always the easiest to see. The black 5 spokes with the chrome lip on them. All silver. So just a nice clean car. Flip it over. This was another Tokyo Drift car. I need to brush up on my movies because I do not remember this one in Tokyo Drift. But, needless to say, it was probably a background car, so we'll keep that one over there for now. And we're going to go with the trifecta here because we have another new release, new casting combo. We have the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43. Brand new Hot Wheels casting done for Fast and Furious. And, needless to say, a brand new Fast and Furious release. So this was from the Fate of the Furious. Another car, I don't exactly remember what it was from. But look at this casting. Nice squarish casting. Toyota FJ Land Cruiser. Get all the premium, you get all the front detail there. Obviously the real rider tires. The spare is plastic. But look at that. That is a nice new casting. Which reminds me a little bit of the next car in this case, which sadly to say is a repeat, but it is a good repeat at that. It is the Land Rover Defender 90. I've become a big fan of Land Rover Defenders lately, and this casting has a little bit to do with that. So we get some new card art. This was last released a couple years ago. Same style. I'll have to compare this to the original release here and see, but it looks like the exact same release. I do remember that it did have the Real Riders 6-spoke wheels on it. You know what? I can confirm that really quick. I actually have one sitting off camera here. Yeah, it is the 6-spoke Real Riders on this one. So we don't get any new wheels, but This is a great casting. Great release of it. All black. Kind of looks like a chase piece if you were just sitting there. Car culture chase piece. I love the all black cars. I know they don't do the best to show off detail, but great release nonetheless. So we do get, in these cases, you do get, it's a 10 count case. And so you got number 5 of 5 is the Land Rover Defender. Number 4 of 5 is that Land Rover, or sorry, Toyota. I think of Land Rover because of the squarish body. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43, brand new casting. Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8. Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL. And that custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR, aka Mia's car. So, 2 repeats, 3 brand new castings, brand new releases for Fast and Furious. This is the 2024 Fast and Furious Premium G case. Thanks to Stop Diecast for sending this case over. Big sponsor of OTD here and the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. So thank you, Stop Diecast. And thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for some more unboxing and other video content on the OTD YouTube channel.